Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Welcome everybody. Now this is a flip through of sorts. I did not make this one on camera, but I did make this one on camera, and when I did, I said when I get this one done, I'll come back and show you the whole thing finished. This is the one we did during the 100-day challenge. That's the puppy one. It was so much fun, and these are so easy, guys, really. So I did a flip through of that one. This is the princess one. It's a princess / beach theme, if that makes sense, because the actual little golden book that I did this with had a beach theme to it. The snowman wanted to go to the beach, okay? So now this is finished. I wanted to share with you how it turned out. I think it turned out great. It's beautiful. It's just gorgeous. Okay, I tied it up with some double-sided lace. Double-sided to me is that it's got the top on both sides, if that makes sense. That way she can leave it on or take it off. You know, these are for my grandchildren, so I made her a little notebook, but it was a little bit too thick this way to go inside, so I'm just going to stick it on there and she can do what she wants. That's just one of those little Dollar Tree ones, you know, cover it and make it pretty, right? Now this part, this opens, of course, you know, make it in frame. Okay, and then there's a little tuck pocket back here, and she can put things here. This is faux leather. So, yeah, it's just really pretty faux leather. It's kind of soft, you know. So that goes that way. And then this is the front of the little golden book, right? And then the inside, it goes this way, you silly. This opens up, little tuck pocket in there. Of course, there's, you know, journal cards in there. I made some really cute journal cards for this, guys. I'm sure I'll find a way to use them in our stuff eventually, right? Okay, so the front of the book, I left the front of the book. It's Olaf's perfect day. Yeah, they go to the beach. So, there you go. I left this part in here. She can write her name down here if she wishes, or not, you know. Who knows what little girls want to do. There's journal cards. Now, I'm not going to take every one of them out. There's 2 signatures because that's what's in the little golden books. There's 2. So we've got these. That's really cute. We've got, I put this big pocket here because that just had all the, you know, copyright, when it was published, all kinds of, you know, yada yada there. So I just covered it up. There you go. So I've got, you know, that. This is one of our flips. We made these. I think we made these in a stash building or something like that. Anyways, they're on my YouTube channel somewhere. So I made a bunch of stickers for this too, guys. They're so fun. So, yeah. Lots of stickers for her to play with. Blank space for her to write or put pictures or stickers or whatever she wants. This is one of the book page things, and I've got it loaded with stickers, and there's a journal card. It's just loaded with stuff. So, yep, same thing here. Well, I just shoved that one in there, didn't I? Just, you know, beautiful journal cards. I think they are. So, okay. I hope she likes them. That's the main thing, right? Now, we did these in the little puppy one, only this is, you know, princess themed. That's cute, right? So they just slide right in those big pockets, and that's the centerpiece. I found some ocean-ish stuff. I mean, there's starfish and turtles and some beads that match up with them. So I did that on the strings where I tied in the signature. Pretty cool. This is one of the things we did in the 100-day challenge. One of those big pockets, right? So you've got, that's vellum in there, and you've got some really pretty journal cards. We did all these in that, and it's also a pocket back here too. So she'll have that, and it's really lacy and pretty, like, you know, girly princessy stuff. And then we've got this. I put that in sideways, but you know how it is when you're just loading stuff in. Now, if there's no journal card in at all, then you see this pretty, I just put a sticker in there. But you can also turn it around and do it this way, right? So it is not sideways. Okay. And then you've got back here, there's a pocket with some journal cards in. So just, I had so much fun. And also, you know, when you're making something specifically, writing board, and I didn't put anything on this one because I'm leaving it blank. She's 10, almost 11. She'll have fun decorating it herself, you know. So just pretty stuff. And when you're making a journal, like I was going to say, specifically for someone that you know, it just makes you smile all the way through. Thinking of little things that they're going to find, and maybe they're going to like this the best or that the best, or, you know, thinking of fun little surprises to put in there for them. Now, this is one of our little tip outs. It's a big pocket. She can put her writing stuff in there. She's quite the artist. She can put some things that she's done in there. She can write on here or draw on here, all kinds of stuff. Again, sewn in the signatures and put the beads on there like that. Had so much fun with this one. Thinking about her growing up and, you know, getting to be that young lady. Yeah, it's kind of I don't know, when they grow up, you're happy for them, but you kind of miss the little girl part of them. So anyways, I did have a lot of fun making this for her. We've got back here, we've got one of the princess ones, and I think this one's kind of, to me, it's my favorite. I'm hoping it'll be one of her favorites. I think of her when I see this, because she's got this long brown hair and, you know, that kind of thing. I don't know. And this one is loaded with stickers. Lots and lots and lots of stickers. It's one of our expandables. We made this in a, we did tutorials on that. We did. I didn't put anything back here, but she can. You know, you leave some things for them to do, right? Just so much good stuff in here for her to play with and have fun with, and I don't know, just do stuff. See if I can get this somewhere near the, but yeah, I promised, I'm a woman of my word. I promised I would show you when I got the princess one done, and now it is done. So it won't be going out till Christmas, because this is her Christmas present from Grandma. Right? So these will be tucked away, waiting for the magical day of Christmas. Or I always think of it as that special magical day. Anyways. But yeah, just a pretty bow here, and hopefully she's going to love it and have a lot of fun with it. There are some blank spaces, but that's intentional. We always have to do that. She's going to have fun with it. And she's got to have room to have fun with it, right? Okay. Well, there you go. There's the princess one and the puppy one we did on our 100-day challenge, and we did their flip through there. If you didn't see that, I'll go back and see that. These puppies are so cute. I mean, and it's got a lot of very similar things here, but not the lacy things and stuff. I used all the burlap trims and things like that. Lace is more my style, but this is a little boy, so I figured he might not want all the lace. He's a very boy, you know? So, 2 Christmas presents ready. I got so much more work to do, guys. Oh, my word. Okay. Well, you guys take care. Please like and subscribe. Pretty please. Thanks for watching. TTFN.